Hi guys, SP Jain form details are out. Form is not yet out. Form is coming next week in few days, but the information is out on their site. So I'm making this video based on that. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to make the video for every exam and every top college which for form will come, so that we can take an informed decision whether to apply or not to apply. Yeah. So SP Jain have two kind of cutoff. One is 85 percentile for all the Garib Amir students, and for the Garib student like me, the cutoff is 99 percentile. So 85 and 95, they're 299, they're two criteria. They're only showing 85 percentile. They're not showing this thing on their site, but that is a trend which is seen in SP Jain. So profile based call and a normal call. 98 पे भी आएगा, but I'm keeping the cutoff थोड़ा high at 99. Alright, so let's start with the discussion on this form. SP Jain have updated their website with the new changes for the 2020 exams. To change हो ही रहे थे. Now colleges are also changing their process. So this year SP Jain is the first form which is coming out for the college. Now there are few forms you have to fill before the exam, like SP Jain, FMS, MDI. They have to be filled before the CAT exam. So SP Jain is the first exam which is coming up. So strong focus on this. So they are offering the program in finance, information management, marketing, operations and supply chain. So they are added supply chain. It will be either operation and supply chain as one subject, or supply chain is the separate program they are launching. So that's not clear from this. Most probably it will be operations and supply chain combined together, because within operations, supply chain is the most favored branch. It's like finance and investment banking. So investment banking cannot be separate from finance. It have to be part of this. Yeah. And the fundamental problem is you have to make the choice beforehand. Yeah. Which area you want to apply for. Unlike other exams other colleges where you join the college, then in second year you select you want marketing finance. Here you have to decide early on, before you join the college, when you fill the form. So point number one and chain number one is supply chain, and pointer number two, this is not a change, this is a earlier process only, that you have to apply early hand. So 10 things to be taken care of kind of thing we are now looking at. Okay, so when you apply now, you can apply now. The website will be open. Dates. Now application starts on 28th of November and application ends on 27th of November. 2 days before the CAT exam, you have to decide. Now how I can decide what will be my score? Yeah, I'll make a dedicated video for that when the exam form dates are near, end date is near. As of now, I can tell you very simple. Last 5 mocks in the month of November. The last 5 mocks which will be giving for CAT in the month of November, we look at their score. If you're scoring above 80 percentile, yeah, for the profile based call, we'll apply. Yeah, for the score based call, I explained these two things today. Then we need 99 percentile. So 85 and 99, these two numbers you take care of. If you have a strong profile, you will get a call at 85. If you don't have a strong profile, you will get a call at 98, or let's keep a cutoff at 99 percentile. Okay, now selection process. So there are 5 things taken care of. This is the next pointer to be taken care of, to be selected. Number 1 is the overall profile. Number 2, academic background. Number 3, work experience. Number 4, entrance scores. And number 5, achievements. Yeah, all these things are considered into that. So SP Jain is only college which will give you, only top college which will give you a call at even 85 percentile, and you can convert as well. It's not their strategy. Yeah, SP Jain believes in a strong profile is more important than your CAT score. And this is what I love about SP Jain. They give a call even at a lower percentile score as well. So we'll talk about that. Eligibility, will open this up now to check it out. Okay, so next major change which have come now is that they're accepting either CAT or GMAT score. ZAT score are not accepted by the SP Jain college. This is the next major change. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to give you the update about all the major colleges and all the major exams as we go along. Yeah, and SP Jain communicates directly with the college. There is no intermediary, because a lot of agents will come and tell you, we'll get you admission to SP Jain, this and that. So please don't go to them. So this is the main SP Jain campus, Bhavan's campus. Yeah, if you look at their logo, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. This is the main SPGen campus. There is a SPGen global campus as well. That is not the part of this. That is a separate college altogether. There is no link between this SPGen and that SPGen. Okay, only the name is same. For example, my surname is Gandhi. Yeah, I can tomorrow, if I start a company with the same name, so that doesn't mean that I will be I can claim it to be Gandhi, because I am myself Gandhi. It's related to Mahatma Gandhi or not, we don't know. Chalega. But this is where the students are kind of getting confused, because SP Jain, who sponsored the college within Bhavan's campus in Andheri, yeah, using his name, his grandson started a college. Yeah, it's my grandfather's name. I can use my name, his name, to start a campus and call it SP Jain Global. So SP Jain Global is a separate campus. We're not talking about it. We're talking about the main SP Jain program. Okay. So now if we go to that PDF and check out the eligibility criteria. Alright, so that's a notice which have come from SP Jain. So let's read this out. So is provided by coordinator and blah 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 action as per the AICT. So the things can change, so they'll keep on updating. That's a common news for everyone is giving. So admission process, blah blah blah. Number one is academic background, which they'll look at. If you are 80 70 plus, you have a very good chance to get a profile based call, which is 85 percentile. So all the Amir log, SP Jain, Amir log matlab good profile or good work experience or good academic achievements, normal achievements, you are a Amir Admi. In this case, Garib Admi matlab hamare jaise log, those who don't have a very good academic record, don't have a work experience and don't even have good achievements. So all of us like me are Garib students. So Amir student will get a call at 85, Garib Admi will get a call at 99 percentile. Yep. So 80, 70 plus, if you have a very good chance. I'm not saying call aayega. I'm saying call aa sakta. I'm sorry yaar. I was standing under the AC for some time, so I'm suddenly feeling the cold. Hopefully this is not virus. Okay, so point number one is academic record achievement. If you have good academic record, you have very good chance to get a call. Point number one. Yeah, you can check out the detail on their site. Yeah, point number two is CAT score. Minimum 85 sectional cutoff and 75 and overall 85 if you have, you will get a call. No GMAT accepted. Yeah, GMAT scores are not accepted. Only, ZAT scores are not accepted. Only GMAT scores are accepted. 75 and overall 85 will get a call. Profile based. Okay, not the normal call. Okay, application process will be, last date is by November 27. Sadly, before the CAT exam is over, and 1500 you have to pay for that. Okay. Next pointer is work experience. If you have more than 2 years of work ex in a branded company, I'm sorry to say that SP Jain and ISB are very focused. ISB Hyderabad are very focused on a brand name of the college, of the company where you worked. TCS, Wipro, all these MNCs are counted. Yeah, Jai Mata Di organization, ठीक है, Shrikant Pipelines, all these kind of companies का workex they will not be considering. They might tell you to apply, you can apply, but they only count the wow factor. यार सीधी बात है, if the person coming in is good, the person going out will be good. So if you have more than 2 years of workex, even 1.5, there is no criteria for that. This is my estimate that anybody with more than 1.5 year, 2 years of workex is counted, will be counted here with a good branded company. Accenture, Wipro are all counted. ICICI Bank, all these are counted. For example, when Jamnalal Bajaj used to take GDPI, they used to have a criteria that only listed companies workex is counted. So your company have to be listed on stock market. So that छोटा मोटा brand और पापा का company खोला है, उसमें तुम नहीं दिखा सकते. Your family business you cannot show unless it is listed in the stock market. Okay. So consistency of the academic record, number one. Number two is work experience, and number 3 point is versatility and achievement. So if you have good achievements, like if you have been to NASA, if you have fired the rockets, इन नासा, नॉट दिवाली का रॉकेट, नासा में रॉकेट चलाया है, IPL खेला है, ठीक है, फिल्मों में काम किया है, यू हैव बीन अ मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्टेंट. So any of the big achievements, I'm just kidding, not that big also. Even state level, national level, if you have played, not school level, intra college are not valid. National, state level है, तो you have a very good chance to get a call. So 3 things: 80, 80, 70. Number 1, work experience of more than 2 years, and achievements at a state or a national level. If you have done any of these 3 things, any one of them, you are very much eligible to get a call at 85 percentile. Otherwise 99. How we are going to decide that whether we'll get a call or not? Before the CAT exam, we'll wait for the last 5 marks. So November may, whichever 5 marks you will take, on the basis of that score will apply. See, India is mad about top colleges. Yeah, all obviously should be. All the students are mad about the top college. So rather than wasting money, everybody मंदिर में जाके ना घंटी बजा के दान दे के आते हैं. Everybody give दान to FMS, MDI and SP Jain. सला मॉक में कोई 50 पार नहीं हुआ. You never scored more than 50 marks in any mock. How can you get 85% exam day? Yeah, so we will take that internal look in the month of November, not today. Today obviously scoring 50, 60, which you can easily improve to 99 in the time being. But for those who are not yet confirmed, not yet touching 99 percentile or 85 percentile, please hold. Let's wait for the last 5 mocks. I'll make a video for that. Trust me, yaar, that's why I'm telling you. I can save your 2000 rupees in this form filling if you listen to this thing and then fill the form. So for every top college, I'm not going to make this for chota college, but for the top college, I'm going to like this. Okay, second phase, there will be an interview, and prevailing to the COVID-19 situation, so they will decide what to be done. So that they will see appropriate mechanism will be used. So CAT and GMAT score only, that have been removed. I don't know why. Intake for the college is 240 and 36 seats have been sanctioned for the foreign students. And anything you need, you can contact the Bhavans campus. So whenever SP Jain you talk about, you have to see the Bhavans campus, that is the main campus. Global is a separate campus. That is not with them. They are separate entity. Alright. Any question you have, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll make the video and I'll have something warm now because मेरा गला एकदम बंद हो गया, मेरी फटनी शुरू हो गई है कि साला कहीं वायरस ना हो जाए मेरे को. Alright, all the best. All this information is given on ceticking.com/spjain. You can check out the link. This is the link where I'm going to update everything right from your fees to admission criteria. Whatever we talked about, everything is given here. So last but not the least, second last point, 2 more points to be talked about. Second last point is that there is no reservation at SP Jain. All seats are open seats, no reservation at all. So OBC, SC, ST, all of you will be counted as open seat. So you have to think before you apply. Okay. Now last part is average salary is 51, highest is 51 lakh, average salary is 26.36 lakh. Top 50% of the batch, 56% of the batch have got 25 lakh package, 86% batch got 20 lakh package, and 95% of the batch got 18 lakh package. Intake is 238, approximately 240. This package, guys, it is better than, or at least at par with, the main IIMs, ABC, better than the new IIMs and at par with the main IIMs. So you are going to the college with 85 percentile if you have a good profile at par with IIM Ahmedabad, which is not going to give you admission unless you score 99.5 kind of thing. Yeah. So if you have a good profile, you can apply. Otherwise, the last date is in November. We can wait. Last 5 mocks ke baad will decide whether we are fit or not. So this can be the motivation for you as well. Okay, guys, CAT nahi acha gaya, no problem. Here I can get into SP Jain at 98, 99 percentile as well. Where I am Calcutta open category, you have to touch 99.5 for GEM. Yeah. So take it as a motivation to work hard more in the CAT exam so that I can reach this target. Yep. All the best.